Hey guys, my name is Jonathan Oriana, and I'm here just trying to create folders. And I figured, might as well make a tutorial video on how to do this. So I found out different methods on how to alphabetize all your folders in a very quick method other than just opening up a folder explorer, going to your documents, and then new folder, type it in the letter A, then repeating. Like, there's no method for me to just like copy and paste this a bunch of times and then rename all the folders. That would get annoying. So let me show you the easy format that I learned, which was using the command prompt. So currently I'm not in the documents folder, so I have to change over. So you could type in dir, which gives you your directories or your folder names. I know that I want to move over to documents, so I do cd, which means change directory to documents. I'm now in that folder. There's nothing in it, of course. Sorry, Linux commands. And let me try to make this bigger so everybody can see. All right. So now that everything's set up, we're in the documents folder. Say you want to make a directory, you could just type in make directory and then all your folder names, or for me it would just be the alphabet. It's been a long day, guys. LMNOPQRSTUV. Make sure to have spacing in between everything. TUVWXYZ. Press enter. Go back over to your folder. These folders have now been created for you, and you can now start organizing all your files away. And let's say that you, want to repeat this command a bunch of times. I don't know for what reason, or just for whatever reason. So another way of doing this would be opening up a text pad or a notepad. And I'll probably have this attached or inside of my GitHub repo just so you guys can go look at it. Okay. Let me just do this real quick. And if you are wondering, I am Hispanic, so there might be some letters that I'm trying to like put in there that I might mess this up. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. All right. So you're like, well, this is me basically telling it, hey, here's the command. But the cool thing is I can go into, let's say T for testing. I can name this test or a folder maker script. How about that? And instead of this being a text file, we make it a .bat file, which is a batch file, which is what command prompt basically runs off of. Saved it in there. So now let's go over to the test folder. This is now considered a script. It really is a script. It says Windows batch file. Double click on it. Folders have now been made for you guys. So I'll have that linked up in the description in my GitHub. That way you guys are aware of that. There are other methods of being able to create folders. PowerShell command prompt is another method of doing it. I could actually show you guys how to do that. It's probably even less typing than this command. So it'd be 65 through 90 on the ASCII table. It's a table that has all the characters and how a computer understands them. Percentage sign, which means for each object. Then make the directory. Parentheses to group up. So it'd be characters within that table. $_ which is referring to the variables or the number 65 through 90. So it's this little for each is saying character 65, which is the letter A, through 90, and then close out the parenthesis, and then do that. And I just realized I'm not in my documents folder, but that's fine. Let's just go ahead and create the folders, and I can always go back and like delete them really quickly. So press enter. Those all were created. And if I go back to this PC, where, not in the documents folder, where did I just create these? Here. Users, the CyberYak. Okay, so they're all in here where like all your system files are, and I'm just gonna go in here manually deleting it, but I could always write up a script, go in, remove it based on some kind of like, oh, if it's only a 1-letter folder name, that could be deleted. And this, I mean, like, this is multiple different ways of being able to do this. All it is, no, don't save it. All it is just it's my way of basically just creating a system of folders for me to be able to go into and easily either find, I don't know, my, let's say, clients folders. And then everything to do with like certain clients, it could be in there. You could, and especially with having it already like written out for you and you don't have to type them all back up, you could always move this into something else and then run it inside of that folder. And then by that point, you have alphabetized to an extent. For me, it's just one level of one level of alphabetizing. There we go. Everything allows you to basically stay organized within your folders. I hope this video you found this video helpful. I'll be coming out with more tips when I can speak. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you actually enjoyed it. If you would like certain types of tips, please leave a comment down below and I'll try to get around to it. Thank you.